Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to access personal vault on OneDrive. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on OneDrive and then select settings icon which is on your top right corner. Now select opens. Now select personal vault. Now for to access the personal vault you need to firstly verify your identity. Now select on this button right here called verify your identity. Now select email to your email address. Now you need to enter here a code that they have sent to your email address. Now enter here the code. Now select verify. And that's how you guys can successfully access your personal vault on OneDrive. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.